fact that it's at Red Bull Racing, I'm afraid, is an absolute winning point. A lot of the skills being used to make those very, very expensive cars are fundamentally the same for making our Henry vacuum cleaner that everybody knows. A lot of the synergies are the same, and some of the comments by the excellent people taking this round, they are applicable in every manufacturing environment.
And I've been invited here to discuss ESG within supply chain. Actually hearing those other perspectives from people who are very willing to be very transparent about their challenges, their issues, and working through with them is extremely beneficial.
We've got a complete suite to manage our business, and we have been rolling that through all our offices around the world. We had 28 different systems around the world, not talking to each other. Now we've got one system, and it's an integrated system.
Today just gives a great opportunity to meet people from other industries who have obviously been through a similar journey or going through a similar journey. And one of the points that stuck with me is that sort of 70 to 80% of the gains that you're after sit within your supply chain.
We started a transformation journey to modernise things, mainly in the supply chain space. We are now looking to expand the journey of development. Recent times has given us a chance to be more acquisitive. We see that we can be more fleet of foot and choose how we integrate those businesses with the flexibility that we begin to give ourselves.
I just think it's really good to get that insight and that different perspective that we wouldn't ordinarily have. Love the factory tour. I'm an F1 fan. That was great.